That's most certainly the ghost. It's Ghost's key. Now, this is Ghost's fuel door key. But today is a special day because Toyota Matt cracked the code on how to rekey. That is bad to the bone. Rekey the locking gas cap. See? It turns. It's in the locked position, so you ain't getting that off. Not in a million years. So then we're gonna unlock it. I have a bit of a thicker EPDM O-ring on them with my hands being greasy. There you go. See, look at that gasket. That's way thicker than the OEM gasket. But I put some Vaseline on there. A little petroleum jelly on Thanksgiving. But yeah, you gotta have a smooth, smooth port here. But yeah, there she goes. On. So I have two lines of defense against the banditos. Look at that. That is my ignition key. If anyone doubts it, turns that too. Turns that. Look at that. All one motion. You never lose sight of the key. No smoke and mirrors here at the Skunk Works. The key goes in and it rotates. I just want to do it one more time. That's bad to the bone.